Hey everybody, welcome back, and today I have a long-awaited video for new releases for the Recollections mini planner as well as the mini happy planner. So I'm gonna just jump in. Sorry that these are curled. I had them laying out in my desk, and my window was open, and I think the humidity got to them. So alright, so I have Mermaid Wishes for the Recollections, and it's a 2-page kit, and unfortunately it is for June. I'm still gonna put this up in my shop. I've had a couple of customers ask me to post some of my older kits to the shop, so I am gonna put the June kit in, but I did want to show you this kit. I love it. The colors were just beautiful, and you get your month headers with your days of the week, starting with Sunday. You have some date covers as well as dates out of the month over here. I just do one size, and that way you can trim it down or add, however you want to do it. You have a this month, a goals, a birthday, appointments, work, and events. In my August kit, I did change these. I took work out, and I think I took events out, and I put in bills and next month. So you get 6 paydays in each kit. You have a label over here, some icons on the side here. The second page, you have your side banner this month. I'm actually thinking about changing this because it's such a little space. Let me know below if you want me to change this and just make it something solid, or if you would like to see these stay. You have your date covers, again, some more date covers, some bill dues. You have 6 bill dues, some more labels down below. You have any of the holidays right here. So that is the June kit. And let's see. Okay. I don't know where my July kit is. I don't think I printed it yet. So watch my Instagram for that. So here is August. And again, you have your top washi for your months and your days of the weeks. You have your day covers as well as your days out of the month, your icons. This month, goals, birthdays, appointments, bills. Next month, your 6 paydays, your label, your side banner over here. This one, I took the lines out just to see if that would be something different as well. Your date covers, 2 more of the boxes to cover any days in the month. Your 6 bill dues. There's no holidays that I could see for August, so I just made these like little labels that you can use in solid, and then you again have your appointment labels on the bottom. Now this is the mini happy planner kit monthly. This is your August. I do my Recollection kits different, usually with the same pattern paper, but I make them a little bit different, just because I like them that way. So again, you have your month, your days of the week headers. You have your 6 days that you can cover up during the month. You have your icons, your numbers here. You have 5 paydays, some appointment labels, some half boxes. On this side, you have your side bar. See, this is what I'm talking about. I might do with the Recollections. So again, let me know down below if you'd like to see that in the Recollections. For some reason, this kit I bought Friendship Day, Girlfriend Day. You have 6 bill dues, some more appointment labels, some little flags, and some more half boxes. So that is August for the mini happy planner. And this is July. I know, again, we are almost through July. But I still want to get this kit up for you, for anybody that does rewind planning. So again, it's the same thing. You have your days of the weeks, you have your month header, your days that you want to cover up, your icons, your date numbers, your paydays, your labels, your hat boxes, your sidebar, your date out of the months. And again, it's the same thing. They're one size, so you can trim them down. You have your, this one only has 4 bill dues. I think I was reformatting them in August. Nope, you do have 6 pay dues. I'm sorry. You have your Parent Day, your 4th of July, your hat boxes, some more appointment labels, and your flags. So that is July Mini Happy Planner Kit. And these will be live tonight for you. And this is a Mini Happy Planner weekly kit. So you get 8 full boxes. You get your heart checklist flags here, 2 bill dues, a bunch of icons, your trackers, your weekly trackers over here. This is top washi. Just note that some of the mini happy planners, the tops are different sizes, as well as some of the side washi as well. So just take that in mind. You have some functional little icons over here. I added the brunette laundry girls in, my little paperclip bows, some bigger icons, and some to-dos important to go to buy next week, this week, to clean, work, school, appointments, some larger flags. This page you have your date covers, and you have smaller appointment labels, you have your quarter boxes, and also your side washi. So that is a Mini Happy Planner weekly kit. And we are going to be bringing these to the shop. These are currently our payday stickers. This is in Aloha colors, and then you have the solid black. So these are coming to the shop. I'm debating if I'm going to foil some, but if I do, I will do a separate video for those. So those are all the new kits coming to the shop today. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm trying to think if I have, no, my other planner is over on my photo booth, so, or I would show you what one of the kits look like. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I am working on doing a giveaway, so I will post more information once that is decided what we're going to do as a giveaway. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys soon. Bye.